Well, hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got a quick little piece of a haul. I'm not going to show you everything I ordered, but I got these nail tips from TEMU, and this whole box, actually I got 4 of them, but this box has 576 pieces in it, and 3 of them were $7.47, and 1 of them was $4.67, and I can't tell you how amazing of a deal that is. I love that they come in these little containers. Get one to open, and I love that they're colored. I was watching somebody's YouTube channel. I don't know who. I can't find it. I've looked back through everything and I can't find it, but somebody was using these, and I love that they're colored. You could just like glue these on and go ahead and do your nail art, and voila, you're done. They've got shiny ones in here and matte ones. Can't really tell on camera too much. This one's shiny and this one's matte. And I really liked them. All these colors. And these, I guess, would be considered like, I don't know, like a short coffin. Medium coffin. I don't know. But there's that one. And then these look more almond to me. Let me get me a tool out to help open these. Even though my nails aren't long, I don't want to break something. Alright, so let's see what these look like. Yeah, I would consider that like an almond shape. Very cool, very pretty. And some of them are a little more see-through. Let me get one out here. Oh, I'm getting crazy with them. You can see my fingers through that one. I just really thought this was first of all, it was an excellent deal for that many pieces. And then to have them already painted and colored, I was like, yes, I'm down for that. Alright, and these look like long coffins, or, you know, more square on the tip. Really love that. And I was just floored by these. I really wish I could find the YouTube channel that I found, or was clued in that TEMU even had these, because I would have never known. And then these are really long. I mean, for my nails, that's like way long. I'm just so excited about these. So, I will try to leave a link down below for where I found these on TEMU. There weren't any other markings on the package, so we'll just have to see if we can find a link for you and leave it in the description box. And that is all I have for you today. Let me know if you've seen these or tried these before, because I had never seen anything like it, like in a box set. I've seen like little packs where you could do like one manicure out of them, but nothing like this. So very excited. So you will be seeing these on my channel. As you can see, I'm sporting shorties, so we'll definitely be playing with some of these at some point. And that is it for me today. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself. Talk to you soon. Bye.